Want to use Font Awesome in your project, but only load the icons you actually need? With subsetting, you can include just the icons you choose, reducing file size and helping your site or app load faster. Here's some common questions when it comes to subsetting. What is a subset? A subset is just a smaller set of something. So a Font Awesome subset has only some of the icons, but still includes all the awesome utilities, styling, and ability to easily add icons into your project. Slimming down to just the icons you're using can keep your team aligned on the desktop and improve performance on the web. What are my options for subsetting? Font Awesome offers a number of options for subsetting. When creating a pro kit or changing your existing kit settings, you can select the full icon library by style or by choosing specific icons. If you choose the by icon option, adding an icon to your subset is super easy. To start, head to the search page. Once you've found the icon you'd like to use, click the plus button on the upper left corner. At the bottom of the page, you can manage which icons you're adding to your subset, choose which kit you plan to use, and add those icons to your kit by clicking the Add Icons to Kit button. You can also manage and add icons to your subset under the Icons tab in your kit. Once you've picked the styles or icons you want to include in your kit, you can use it in any of the ways you would usually use a regular kit to get icons into your project. But remember, only the icons and styles you add to your kit will be available in your project. If an icon isn't showing up, double check that you've added the icon or style. See, that was super easy, and now it's your turn to go make something awesome.